team, welcome to ACE Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the most important current affairs of May 23rd, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, the 6th UN Global Safety Week has been organized in which week of May 2021? So the answer is option C, 17th to 23rd of May. So the 6th UN Global Road Safety Week has been organized between 17th to 23rd of May. Moving on to the next question. Second question is, in tennis, who has won the men's single title at the Italian Open 2021? So the answer is option B, Rafael Nadal. Rafael Nadal has won the men's single title at the Italian Open 2021 in tennis. Moving on to the next question. Third question is, who is the author of the book Sikkim, A History of Intrigue and Alliance? So the answer is option C, Preet Mohan Singh Malik. The book Sikkim, A History of Intrigue and Alliance has been authored by Preet Mohan Singh Malik. Moving on to the next question. Fourth question is, which state has launched the MoMA Market mobile app for vegetable delivery? So the answer is option B, Manipur. Manipur has launched the MoMA Market mobile application for home delivery of fresh vegetables, and it was launched by the Manipur CM Yan Biren Singh. Moving on to the next question. Fifth question is, what is the theme of the International Museum Day 2021? So the answer is option C, the future of museums, recover and reimagine. So this is the theme of the International Museum Day 2021, the future of museums, recover and reimagine. And we celebrate the International Museum Day on May 18th. Moving on to the next question. Sixth question is, the Indian Railway has complete Wi-Fi servers at how many railway stations? So the answer is option A, 6,000. Indian Railway has completed the Wi-Fi based internet facility at 6,000 railway stations in the country till now. Moving on to the next question. Seventh question is, Karim Abdul Jabbar Social Justice Champion Award is the newly created award by which sports league? So the answer is option B, NBA. National Basketball Association has created a new award named Karim Abdul Jabbar Social Justice Champion Award, and NBA stands for National Basketball Association. Moving on to the next question. Eighth question is, the World AIDS Vaccine Day is marked on which date annually? So the answer is option A, 18th of May. And the World AIDS Vaccine Day is also known as HIV Vaccine Awareness Day. Moving on to the next question. Ninth question is, Roman Casanova was banned from tennis after corruption charges. For which country did he represent? So the answer is option C, Kazakhstan. A tennis player who represented Kazakhstan in the Davis Cup has been banned for 10 years after admitting her sting of corruption charges. Moving on to the next question. Tenth question is, the former Jatendra of Akal Takht passed away. What is his name? So the answer is option D, Joginder Singh Vedanti. Former Akal Takht Jatendra Ginani Joginder Singh Vedanti died of an heart attack in Amritsar, and he was 80 years old. Moving on to the next question. 11th question is, when is International Museum Day observed globally? So the answer is option D, on 18th of May. The International Museum Day is marked globally on 18th of May. Moving on to the next question. 12th question is, which company joined hands with Yono SBI to launch small farm accounting app Farmizo Katha? So the answer is option A, Shivarai Technologies. Shivarai Technologies, Indian AG tech company, has announced the launch of their B2C farm accounting mobile application Farmizo Katha. Moving on to the next question. 13th question is, Rajendra Singh Jadeja, who has passed away, was a former player and coach of which sports? So the answer is option A, cricket. Former Saurashtra cricketer and BCCI referee Rajendra Singh has passed away after battling COVID-19. Then moving on to the next question. 14th question is, which state has launched the Ayush Gurdwar campaign for home isolated COVID-19 patients? So the answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh has launched the Ayush Gurdwar campaign for home isolated COVID-19 positive patients. It has been initiated to keep them healthy by practicing yoga. Moving on to the next question. 15th question is, Iga Swiatek has won the women's single title at the Italian Open 2021 tennis tournament. She represents which country? The answer is option C, Poland. Iga Swiatek has won the women's single title at the Italian Open 2021 and she represents Poland. Moving on to the next question. 16th question is, who is the author of the book 1971, The Beginning of India's Cricketing Greatness? The answer is option D, both A and B. Boria Majumdar and Gautam Bhattacharya are the co-authors of the book 1971, The Beginning of India's Cricketing Greatness. Moving on to the next question. 17th question is, what is the theme for the UN Global Road Safety Week 2021? So the answer is option A, Streets for Life, #Love30. So this is the theme of the UN Global Road Safety Week 2021, and as we already discussed, we celebrate the UN Global Road Safety Week from 17th to 23rd of May. Moving on to the next question. 18th question is, which city has topped the state of Indian healthcare? Indian cities through the length of healthcare report 2021. So the answer is option B, Pune. Pune has topped the state of Indian healthcare. Indian cities through the lens of healthcare report 2021 reported by the LRR Technologies. Moving on to the next question. 19th question is, which countries most of the cities are in the environmental risk as per V-Risk Maplecroft? So the answer is option D, India. As per the analysis, India is the most at risk country with 43 of the top 100 cities on the list. Moving on to the next question. 20th question is, name the Indian who has won the Whitley Award 2021. So the answer is option B, Y. Nuklufum. The Nagaland-based conservationalist Y. Nuklufum has won the Whitley Awards 2021. It is also known as the Green Oscar. So that's it. We are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. If you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below, and also give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to our channel. So I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.